Let's talk about biogas, an answer to carbon footprint reduction. Biogas is one of the solutions to reach the objective of carbon emission reduction. Yet, biogas is a biomethane. Its combustion releases carbon. So, why is it named biogas or green gas? Biogas is an ecological alternative to natural gas, 100% renewable, which contributes fully to energy transition. It derives from methanation of fermentable organic matters, such as farm, cultivation, or water treatment waste. By fermenting without oxygen, this substance turns mainly into methane and digestate. After purification, methane products can be injected into gas network. Biogas figures among renewable energies because it comes from organic waste, which otherwise would not be upcycled. It contributes to reduce greenhouse gas emission created by methanation in agricultural or waste processing sectors. This is why it's considered as a green gas. So it appears like an ecological alternative to natural gas and contributes fully to energy transition. It makes fit in a circular economy logic. Biomethane contains around 10 times less carbon than natural gas. It's comparable to thermal or electrical renewable energies.